Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an eBay account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically creating an eBay account is so easy. All you will be needing to do is just to have an email and that's all. So basically here I'm just going to log out from my account, and basically you will be needing to sign in again. So by clicking on sign in you will be able to uh, here let's just go like that, and basically I want to switch accounts, and from here you will need just to register. So either you can create an account or you can simply connect with your Google account. Using one of these methods would be the easiest way, since you are going to connect the accounts and they will retrieve the information or necessary information like your name, email, and stuff. And basically, you will be able to access eBay as easy as possible. Or you can simply go to create an account if you want like to have a business account or whatever. And from here you will find the type of account. So here you will find the personal. You will need just to add your first name, last name, your email, password, and you click on create personal account, and then it will be created. So you will be needing just to add your phone number, and you will need just to verify it after that, and you will be able to access eBay. The same would go for business. So you will need just add the business name, a business email, and password, and where is your business registered? That means the country. You will choose the country, and basically here you can select your country of residence, and here you can check that if you are not interested uh, in buying, and do whatever you like, and then click on create business account, and you will be able to access it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.